All right, working on the 2013 Cadillac ATS all-wheel drive. It was coming in for a noise that sounded like exhaust, sounded like the heat shield over the exhaust, and you can only hear it when you're driving at certain speed, low speeds, and just diagnosing it. Customer got the where is it? Well, they're in here somewhere. Customer got the wheel bearing, and just in case, but me taking it apart, diagnosing it. If you ever get this sound that's coming from the wheel and you can't really diagnose if it's the wheel bearing or not, yes, of course you need to take it all apart and actually see what's going on. But me taking this one apart, checking for the wheel bearing, this is the noise they were hearing. I mean, the wheel put all together, you couldn't hear it because the rotor goes over it, which the parking brake is behind the rotor. So if you ever have this issue on the Cadillac or any other vehicle, check the parking brake first. But this is the problem. They were hearing this noise while driving. So what was happening is while they were driving with the rotor on, it was spinning. And once it started to spin, it started to shift this back and forth, which caused it to hit the shield like that, which would be the same symptom if it was a wheel bearing. But, you know, properly diagnosing it is how you fix things. So this is a proper diagnosis. If you have this issue, 2013 Cadillac ATS, all-wheel drive, parking brake was the issue. Noise behind the wheel, fixed. Oh, well, the actual issue was the pins came out. Somehow the parking brake pins, which go through here, and the dust shield, the pin goes through the back, and there's a clip that goes on it and slides down it and pops it into place and holds it there and there. So when you activate the parking brake, it sponges out, holds the rotor tight, which makes it won't move. And then when you push the parking brake button back in, it actually squinches in like that. But if those pins aren't there, then it's just all over the place. Yep, check.